Hi, this is Professor Jeremiah with Odyssey Martial Arts with Coach Krystal, and we're going to show you some side control escapes, something everyone can use. This first one is the open elbow. Alright, so here's some details. I'll also have Coach Krystal do it one more time before I give you the details, just so you can see what the difference of size, because I'm so big I'm almost knocking her over. Okay, so details. This first detail is going to work for every single side control escape. So if they are crushing the hand where I'm blocking the head control, I push up on my hips and I'm going to shoulder walk just so that I can get onto their bicep or tricep. I always refer to it as my praying mantis hand or my hey girl hey hand. This way I'm cupping so that if she tries to pull her arm away, she can't pull it away to hit me big. And if she tries to grab my head and just push forward, I'm blocking over the top. So I'm preventing the crossface and punches. I have good frames, and from here I'm relaxed. I'm defending myself, and they look to transition. When she looks to transition, I have to have the timing. I let the arm go over my head. From here, I go behind the elbow, and I push down at a 45-degree angle, sitting up to my elbow. From here, as they turn to adjust and try to come back on top, I hip escape from the elbow, and I can come back to my open guard, butterfly guard, any kind of guard that I choose. So, the biggest details are that I need to be patient. I have to have good hand positioning so they can't cross face me and crush my head. And I use the timing when they look to transition to start to come down the body so I can hip escape from the elbow. And then ta-da, I'm back in the guard. So that is the open elbow escape. One more time, a little bit of a longer video. Because she's little, so she's not really committing her weight and then not coming as far. But when you have this bigger person trying to crush you, you're able to hit this escape. You see how I'm like posting my hands and she can make that space easily. And then, ta-da, we went from the bottom of side control back to our guard.